These are the Run Me Fit GTR3 and Watch4. They're from a company called, Run Me Fit, you guessed it. They founded in 2015 and they focus on personalized, affordable being underlined, health-first smartwatches. Let's see how these devices stack up to that philosophy. Quick unboxing, they both come with readable materials, stuff we love. A USB-A to a 2-pin magnetic charging tip. You see on a lot of non-flagship watches, some I've reviewed already, and the watch itself. This one needs you to charge it, to plug it into power before it can come on. I clearly did not read the sticker and I tried to power it on for like 2 days. Okay, here we go. So the fundamental design differences between the GTR3 and the Watch4 are obvious. First of all, shape. Help you decide if you're camp round or rectangular, but also a few other elements like the weight, for example. GTR3 weighs more, significantly more, almost twice as much as the Watch4 because it is made of a metal frame, unlike the Watch4 which has polycarbonate, so a whole lot lighter. One reason they may have done this is because the Watch4 features AI sleep analysis, which would make sense for it to be lighter and easier to wear for longer, especially as you sleep. They both have an AMOLED screen, with the Watch4 being slightly higher resolution and slightly bigger at 1.9 inches. They both can track over 100 sport modes, but the Watch4 also comes with auto detect for core workouts. They both have a rotating crown, which you can use to navigate the features. The nits aren't entirely specified, so while they're nice and bright in the shade or indoors, they will struggle a bit in direct sunlight, so know where you use it. They both have quick release straps, typical for most smartwatches these days, which is great. So you can swap out the bands to whatever it is that is your style for the day or the mood. And they're both 3 ATM rated for splash resistance. With everything I said, it sort of feels like the Watch4 is a better deal, especially when you consider the price at $69 USD versus the GTR3's $79 USD. The GTR3 has better battery life, which is rated for 7 to 15 days versus the Watch4, which tops out at 5 to 8 days. Also, Watch4 has an always on, so the battery life might be worse in the long term if you're using it within that mode. And most importantly, some people may just prefer the traditional round design. These watches are not running Android Wear, rather they are running Run Me OS, something proprietary built for these watches, and they are kind of smooth. In terms of watch faces, you have to download the app to get access to their store and download whatever options you find. Not as many as the established brands that you know, but there should be more than enough for you to vary between various situations. Bottom line, if you're focused more on fitness, both will do, but the Watch4 seems optimized for this with enhanced sleep tracking and the lightweight design, which would make it a whole lot more comfortable to wear for longer, especially as you work out or sleep. If you're more traditional style but still need all the features of a smartwatch, including health tracking, and round is your thing, then the GTR3 is your camp. Let me know which way you're leaning. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.